Hello guys, welcome to the Kid Mathematician channel series, and today we're going to be doing linear equations. Linear equations is something that you're going to be seeing in middle school and in high school as you progress, but this is just the beginning for middle schoolers, 6th to 7th grade. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm just going to be doing some basic problems about how to tackle these linear equations. Linear equations can be anything from one-step equations to two-step equations to three-step equations and so on. And so I want to teach you guys how to do these type of equations. So let's get right into it. Today we'll be doing linear equations, and the first one we have is x plus 3 equals 9. X plus 3 equals 9. And so let's say we have so, as I was saying, x plus 3 equals 9. The way we're going to solve for this problem is that we're going to be solving for our known variable, which is x, which is what you want to solve for. So, x plus 3 equals 9. What we're going to do is that there can be two ways to do this. If you do addition, you know that 6 plus 3 equals 9, but they want you to solve it out normally in school, so I'm just going to teach you how to solve it. We're going to do the inverse operation when we do one-step equations or two-step equations or three-step equations or four-step equations and so on. We're going to be doing the inverse. So the inverse of addition is subtraction. So let's do subtraction. Minus 3. Those cancel out. But whatever we do to the left side, we also must do to the right side. So that's what we're going to do. So that can be balanced. Minus 3, 2. And 9 minus 3, as we all know, equals 6. So x equals 6. Okay, so the next problem we have is x plus 7, which equals 3. And this is sort of a backwards problem, so we're going to do it this way. So the first thing that we're going to do is that whatever number is bigger is that what you subtract from. Whatever number is smaller is what you subtract from. So in this case, whatever number that's smaller is 3. 3 is a smaller number. So we're going to do minus 3. And we're going to do inverse of addition, which is subtraction. And we're going to cross those out. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So 4 equals x. The next one that we have is negative 5 plus x equals negative 5. And so what I'm going to do here, if you choose to rearrange it, you can rearrange it and make it x plus negative 5 equals negative 5. Just do which one is easier for you, but I'm still going to do the rearranged part, so let's do the rearranged part. The inverse of addition is subtraction, so negative 5 minus negative 5, those cross out. But we also have a negative 5 because whatever we do on the left, we have to do to the right. So let's do that too. Negative 5 minus negative 5. And you're going to come up with 0. And it's okay if you come up with 0 in these type of equations because it just means that x equals nothing. And so that's what some problems that you will see that your teachers will give to you to stump you. That's what you'll be given in 6th and 7th grade. Okay, let's do x. Let's say we had x minus 0.8, which equals, let's see, 4. And it's okay to work with decimals once you're with this type of equations. Like for example, I'm just doing the basics of linear equations. We're not going to get into the big stuff yet. But yes, x minus 0.8 equals 4. In the next video, I'm going to be doing more complex things, but this is just the beginning. So the inverse of subtraction is addition, so we're going to add plus 0.8 Those cross out, they equal 0. Whatever we do to the left side, we must also do to the right side. So 4.4 plus 0.8, all you need to do is put 4 plus 0 equals 4, drop down the 8 and the decimal point, which equals 4.8. X equals 4.8. There you go. That's how you do it. Let's do 2 plus x equals 1.5. Like I said, don't be stumped by the decimals. They're just ordinary numbers. So, you can choose to rearrange this, bring the x over here to make x plus 2, which equals 1.5. You can do that, or you can do this one, or you can do the original version. I'm going to do the rearranged version. And no matter what version you do, either the original problem, but you choose to rearrange it, you're still going to get the same answer. And so we start off with our plus sign. Whatever you do to the left side, you also have to do to the right. So what's the inverse of addition? Subtraction. Minus 2. That crosses out. We have to do this 2. So minus 2. That should give you 0.5. So that equals 0.5. And x equals negative 0.5, because you have a decimal and 2 is bigger. 2 is bigger than 1.5, just looking at it. And doing the subtraction, you know it's a negative. So yes, you have a negative 0.5. One more question. 3x equals 9. So what we're going to do here is that you might notice that there's no addition or subtraction or nothing here. There's just an equal sign. And yes, you might have 3x, a number and the variable can be combined together. So just what I'm going to do here is that I'm just going to divide by 3. These cancel out. And we also have to do to the left side, we have to do to the right side. Divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. X equals 3. I think we have time for one more, so let me just do one more for you guys, so you guys can understand it and get the gist of it, and before we go into the complex problems. X minus 3.9 equals 1.6. Okay? So the inverse of a subtraction is addition. Plus 3.9. Those cross out. This is also plus 3.9. 6 plus 9 equals 15, sorry. Bring the 1 over here. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5, 2. Bring the decimal point down here, and you've got 5.5. So x equals 5.5. Alright guys, thank you for viewing my video. Watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the comment, and also don't forget to comment in the section down below of what videos you like me to do. Thank you, and always remember, knowledge is light.